All right, so you can see my screen protector on my phone had hairline cracks just everywhere. It really needed to be replaced, and I did not want to drive to the phone store to have someone do it. I ordered a 2-pack of these Magic John screen protectors, and let me tell you, this was the easiest installation I have ever done in my life. I will never again buy screen protectors anywhere else. Now, each set does come with an installation kit and the screen protector itself. Now, one thing to note, these are made to fit your phone perfectly, so I did have to take my phone case off. Now, in the installation kit, there is an alcohol wipe, like a little dry dust cloth, and there is a dust removal sticker, which I tossed to the side. I did not even use the dust removal sticker because this has an anti-dust piece that removes dust for you before the screen protector is applied. And I have no dust on my screen whatsoever, so it worked fabulously. So I didn't even use the dust sticker, but I did clean my phone screen with the alcohol wipe in the little cloth before because I was removing a different screen protector and I wanted to make sure I didn't have that sticky residue. But this basically installs itself. So it does tell you where the top is, and you just align the top with your phone. Now this does perfectly like snap fit your phone. So if you have a phone case on there, you will have to remove it, but you literally just put it on your phone. And then this bottom piece right here is going to be your dust removal layer. So you will just hold it on your phone, pull that dust removal layer, and that cleans all the dust off your screen. After you do that, the bottom window, you're just gonna take your finger and swipe left to right to kind of press down on it. And then the screen protector has been started applying, and this sticker piece in the middle of the arrow, you will remove that. And then, of course, take the plastic piece off of your phone, and you can see it literally, just like the name Magic John, it is magic. You can see the screen protector from like bubble start going up and literally applying itself. I did use the bubble scraper just to be on the safe side, but it applied perfectly, had no bubbles. And of course, after it applies itself, there is a final protective plastic cover or film that you just remove, and you're good to go. If you're looking for a very easy to install phone protector, highly recommend this one.